How to make MCQs, your multiple choice questions using our MS Office in mobile phone. It's a quick tutorial. Same Office app I'm using, MS Office. Click on it and down you will have a plus button. Click on the plus button. We'll go to MS Word. We'll select a blank document and this document's open for us. First let us type the heading. For example, quarterly examination 21, 22, and we want this to be in the center. Select it, double tap, select it. Down if you just go you will find, so we have it here in the middle. Then we want to make it bold, want to increase the size, we are option here. Fine. Now coming to our next head, selecting the best option. Selecting the best option. Fine, so we don't want this in bold. Select it, just double tap and select it, remove the bold sign, it is gone. Now the important part, how to start the MCQs. For that we will introduce a table, we'll insert a table. Home tab, click on the home tab, click on insert button and then table. The table by default will have three options here, so we want to insert four options, so that we'll have four options we can include. So I'm inserting one more column at the right, insert right. Fine, so now you have four columns. The first one I'm selecting it for the question, select it, and then I'm clicking on merge cells. So the cells will be merged and you can type your first question here. But before typing I just want to make sure that I have to delete this last one. Delete full row I want to delete, because one row is for questions and second row is for options. Here I will insert my options. A, the second D. So all the four options will be aligned properly if we use the table. Fine, so now what I'm going to do, how many questions you have, I'm selecting it and I'm selecting the second option, which is to copy. Just use your fingers, select from the beginning. Okay, the second one is copy, then I'm pressing the enter key, tab button, tap your finger, press it, paste. Like this, how many questions you have, that many times you paste. Fine, so I am doing it for 10 questions. So now you can come back to the first, type your question, whatever question you have here. For example, the magnitude. Whatever may be your question, you just, and then on the options under pi, then just use your fingers to tap area, cloud. Whatever may be your choices, you write down like this only. Then second question, same way, whatever is your second question, type it, and here you can type the answers, whatever choices you have. So you might be thinking now this, why this border is coming, we don't want this border. So what I am doing, selecting the table, okay, from the beginning just cross your fingers till the end, and then a small arrow towards the right of your screen, click it, then go to table styles, table style options. You can see here I'm clicking on table style options, and on that I'm selecting this one with no borders. Sixth option I'm selecting, and the borders will be gone. Here you can check This is how you can have MCQs in your mobile phone and can be made very easily within 10 minutes. I hope you have understood.